Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Garza, the librarian, and today I wanted to do a quick video to show you how to do this week's activity. So, whether you have coaches pre-athletics, boys, girls, or elementary PE classroom, you'll go into the Google Classroom. Under your upcoming assignments, as well as in your stream, you're going to see an assignment for create your own graphic novel. And this is what the assignment is going to look like once you click on the link. So, it gives you the option to create your own story. So you would click in this box and type your name here. And then if you notice, you have all of these blank boxes. So the next slide has images that you can use. So you can click on those, you can right click and copy, or you can use the keyboard shortcuts. So you can hold down Control and press C one time, and you can choose any of these images. If you do want to put images from your own, just make sure they are school appropriate, you can do so as well. So I'm going to paste Dogman and put him here into the first frame, and I'm going to put Little Petey. So I'm going to use the shortcut Control C, go back to the first slide where my comic is, and Control V is to paste. So now that I've put my characters there, if you go to the third slide, you'll see speech bubbles, and you'll see that it has the different little arrows pointing to whoever is talking, so you can choose these. And again, if you copy and paste, it will allow you to use these as many times as you need. So I'm going to go ahead and paste that on here. I'm going to add a speech bubble for Dogman, and then a speech bubble for Little Petey. So go back and paste that, and so of course you can drag it, and you can use this frame by clicking on it if you need to enlarge your speech bubble to accommodate more words and text. So once you have the text box highlighted, you can start typing. So you can say, "Hi, Little Petey," and then Little Petey can say, "Hi, Dogman," or whatever you want, because this of course is your comic. And then of course you can highlight the text, you can increase the size of the font to make it larger, you can make it bold so it stands out. So you'll do that for each of these frames here in your graphic novel. And of course if you're copying and pasting, there's other words that you can use, and feel free, have fun with it. On the fourth slide, we have a funny fill-in story. So it says, first fill in the answers in the text boxes, then move the text boxes to the correct number in the story, and then read it. So for this, I know that this is kind of hard to see, so you're going to want to go ahead and zoom in. So you can zoom in to 100%, and you're going to see the word blank. So don't read the bottom or else it will ruin the fun. So you're going to start with number 1, an age younger than you are now. So you're going to click in here, and I'm going to put 15. Okay, a funny word. Gas. A plural article of clothing. So of course plural means more than one. I'm going to put shirts. A friend's name. So I'm going to put Jessica. A sport. So you're going to click in each of these boxes and go through and fill them out all the way to number 9. Once you have completed these, then you're going to get the box for number 1 and move it down to number 1 in the story. And then number 2 goes down to number 2, and so on. So once you're done moving all of the boxes and filling in the blanks, you can go and read the story. If any of you have ever done any of those fill in the blank games, this is kind of similar to that. So you can start reading it. I guess it all started when I was 15. I used to be in the Gas Scouts, and so on. So you can make your funny story. So I hope you guys have fun with this. And then also don't forget that on the slide there are other fun Dave Pilkey website. So enjoy, and hopefully I will see you guys very soon.